Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to change font style in your Samsung mobile, and this method almost works for all Samsung mobile devices, but if you have the Android P operating system. And here you can see this is my Samsung Galaxy M30s device, and here I using the Samsung default font, but I does not like this font. So if you have the same font, just follow me friends to change it. So let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your Samsung mobile settings and then go to display settings, and in the settings section you can locate font size and style and then click to open it. So in top it shows that preview of my font style. So if you want to change it, just press font style settings. So here it shows default Samsung one, Gothic bold and download fonts. But unfortunately my device has only 3 fonts. So if you want to add more fonts, just press download fonts option and the final one. So here it shows lots of fonts. So you can click to download your favorite one. But most of the fonts are paid one, and also some free fonts are available. So you can click to download it. Then I go back to one step. So if you want to enlarge your font, just adjust this slide bar from back to front or front to back. And this is your choice. At same time, some users are like bold font. So if you are one of the person, just click to enable this bold font option. So overall I complete my tutorial to change your Samsung device font style. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.